Hello, second grade. Millard the monkey here, raring to go. Man, can you believe that story? A ghost. Ooh. At least he was a friendly ghost. He took care of those bad guys. Man, I don't know about that biscuit and coffee thing. I need me some bananas and spaghetti, okay? Because, wow. Anyways, what do you think about Slim being a rider? Letting those horses go free? Man, they're probably happier not being cooped up or being ridden by people, just running free. I like to run free through the house, but sometimes I get in trouble for, like, running and chasing cats and stuff. Man, what about that riddle? Did you know it was an echo? Echo, echo, echo. Sometimes when I'm riding in the car, I'm like, whoa, let me stick my head out the window and try to echo. Ah! And then Miss Murphy's like, settle down back there, Millard. And I'm like, hey, I'm making an echo. But, yeah, she was pretty strict about that, so, yeah. I gotta keep it under control. But when she leaves, I try it out in the bathroom. Don't tell her, because, yeah, there's a lot of stuff that goes on when Smurfy's at school. But now that she's home watching me, I gotta watch it. I'm thinking of writing a story about Millard. You know, call it Millard and his great adventures. And maybe I could put you guys in there, and then you could be famous with me, and then we could go on an adventure together. I gotta think about that for a while. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I was sneaking around looking on the side, even though Miss Murphy's like, hey, Millard, you can't be over here. But I was still peeking. I was like, I see you. Hello over there, second grade. And then, you know, I had to give it a rest. All right, I'm very excited. See you later, Gators. Bye-bye.